Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and we tried to record it. We were recording a video, and the footage that got deleted. I don't know why.
Sad.
And so we're gonna be doing a tour of the outside. So stay tuned for what we do later, and we're gonna do a tour and then a prank. I slipped 2 times, and it hurt so bad.
It was so funny though.
Guys, don't listen to her. If you guys did it, it hurt you too.
I didn't fall though.
Hey guys, so we're gonna, sorry for the camera. So this, right here.
I'm guessing this is like...
We're at this barber right now. So we're at the barber right now.
Might look like a barber.
This is our house. This is our house. We have a barber over there. The bedroom's up there. Yeah. We have a tour house too. We have a person in our house that gives tours.
Yeah, we're rich.
Don't stop flexing on everybody, okay? Some people don't even have money. Some people don't even have a cent in this world, okay? So, we are going to be giving the world word of the day at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And, yeah, so this is our house. So, alright, so, let's go do a prank. Let's go finish that prank. You gotta help me in this one too, okay, Andrea? We're gonna be going to the pool, so we might record a video at the pool too. So guys, let's get into the prank. So guys, there's gonna be two worlds of the day because we haven't been uploading recently, and we're trying to get subs, and yeah, we just haven't been uploading recently, so yeah, and so we just need two words of the day so people can use them in their daily life. One is appreciation. It means appreciation means something that you appreciate or like care for and don't want to get messed up. So, okay, we're gonna tell it at the end of the video. Ready? Do it. Where am I going to turn it on right now? Because she owns this part of our house. Come on. Do it, Andrew. Do it. Are you scared? Are you scared? Content.
They might hear that click.
Ready? Go. Alright guys, they were getting just get over. Come on, let's go. Guys, they're getting really mad. So okay, right here. Shout out to him.
That's so funny.
There's more people. I don't know where to sit now. So we're just gonna have to sit on the stairs, and we're gonna have to give the word of the day. First word of the day is okay. First word of the day is what's it called? Okay, the first word of the day is gonna be appreciation. Second word of the day is respect. Respect is being nice to someone or treating them like you want to be treated. Okay. And fun fact of the day, I'm 12 and you are
10.
When's your birthday?
November.
Oh gosh, there's a lizard. What the frick is? What the heck is the word lizard?
Ew.
That's gone.
It's right there. It's right there.
Where? Right there. Right there, you see it? Oh, nope. That's gone. It's gone. What the hell? That's what she said. That's what her said. So,
She said,
her, whatever. So, guys, what are we gonna do? Fun fact of the day, yeah. 12, 10, turning 11 in November, turning 13, January.